Make the most out of your Batrik essentials by following these steps. Ensure a sterile and organized environment with Batrik magnetic mat. Place the mat directly on the patient, then arrange your instruments on the mat according to their intended use. Ensure a deep, thorough clean with Batrik's enzymatic foaming spray and flat brushes. Apply the foaming spray on the used instruments and effortlessly clean every crevice. For tackling stubborn stains, use Lila's instrument stain remover. Apply it on the used instrument, then scrub it gently using a low linting cloth. Save precious time by easily identifying and organizing your tools with Batrik ID tape. Cut the desired length of tape, label it, and simply wrap it around the instruments. Need help storing and sterilizing your instruments? Add a Batrik instrument protector to protect your tools from damage, moisture, and rust. Once the instruments have been cleaned, place them inside the container. Visit www.batrik.com for more details.